Stamperia has a very vintage-looking classic Christmas collection. We're going to start with the 12 by 12 papers. There are 10 sheets. They are all 12 by 12, but look what else you get. All of these cutouts. As a matter of fact, there are 77. That is just amazing. So all of this is in English, just because every now and again Stamperia has something in Spanish. And you can see there's the back of those first cutouts. And as I said, just a very vintage, very warm and inviting collection of papers. They are double-sided, as you can see. More of the cutouts. Did I mention 77? Yes, they are. And look, poinsettias, just very, very pretty. Another all-over pattern in the back, and you can see these. They almost look like old-fashioned postcards, and maybe that's what they were. The back sides are a little bit plainer. This one has just sweets galore. You can cut those up if you like, or use it as a background piece. And on the back side, we've got gingerbread cookies and gingerbread stars. More of the 77 cutouts. It's quite a treasure trove. You can use those on packages or just whatever you like, and all over. And again, another vintage scene. And here is yet another. And yet another all-over pattern, and we've got one more sheet of all of those cutouts. Now, as though those 77 cutouts aren't enough, Stamperia also has these die cuts, and I'm going to bring them in. There are 43 in the package, and you can see the artwork mimics that, which is on the paper. So there's the gingerbread people and the stars, some wonderful cats. And this is the top of the package, and you can just see that they just do a really wonderful job. Now, these are on a very heavyweight board, and they are all cut out for you. And as I said, there are 43 in the package, and they go perfectly with the classic Christmas papers. All of this from our friends at Stamperia.